In this video, I'm going to show you how to dispute a transaction on Venmo. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser, go to Google, and basically we need to head over to Venmo. So click into venmo.com. Then from here, we need to sign into our account. So click on where it says login and log in using your credentials. So put in your email, mobile or username, then your password. Then once you're inside your account, you want to click on the activity tab to view your transaction history. Then locate that transaction you wish to dispute. Then from there, you want to initiate the dispute. So click on the transaction to open its details, select need help or report a problem, and then follow the prompts to specify the nature of your dispute. And then fill in all required fields and accurate and detailed information to support your dispute. From there, review your information and click submit to file your dispute. And now, once you file disputes within 180 days of the transaction date to be considered. So if it's any more than 180 days of that transaction, you might not be able to dispute it.